This is the video and show you how to mount the propeller in the correct place. As you can see here, this propeller has two lines. This one has two lines. This one doesn't have, and this one doesn't have. So this is the exact correct place that you need to mount these four propellers. As you can see here, with two lines. How do you know that this is the correct way, the correct place? So you can see at the bottom part of this motor, there is a one line here. See this line, okay, and these propellers without lines, if you will check it in here, it doesn't have. See, there's no line here, and this one it has. See, so this is the indicator that you need to check before you mount the propellers. Okay, with two lines, with line here, without lines, without lines. Okay, with two lines, with lines here. Okay, without lines, without lines. Thank you.